Me no fi say nothing. And he no cuss. And he no do this. And he no do that. Look for the amount of dirty people where you see for me. Big woman or woman way bigger than me. You understand what me I say? Look how much something me I got you up on this platform and people are saying me no fi say nothing to them people here. The amount of them will turn down upon me. Make I go in this, you know, come people them place me there. Well, whole heap of a woman like me where I struggle with no pitney. A lot of a woman like me where I struggle with no pitney. You hear me I tell you, none of you come on this and go like you rich, you no make nothing now on yourself yet. A whole heap of in the age of 50 and 40 and still a struggle. You hear me I tell you, a whole heap of try to make ends meet. So me don't know where bad mind for, me don't know where hold down for. You understand me? Una just don't wish to speak the truth. You understand me? Can't trust no for uno. You see that up here? Can't trust no. That's why I understand. You see, that's why I say whole heap of people they on social media. There are a lot of people they on social media and they make money off of media and they don't want to give back to people and help on their own people. A whole heap of people they on the up here. You hear me I tell you? And they don't have nothing to do with people because them see people wicked and stay. Yes, you get me? You have mothers out there where we are struggling to take care of our pitney. So my time we don't know how we are going to find with dinner. There are enough mothers out there who not work and bet you want to get to pay, the pay done. Not even look a grocery you can buy with the goddamn look a pay where you go work. 9 to 5, 7 days a week. And when you get the money, not even grocery can buy. You understand me? And we women we share that in common. We struggle to take care of our pitney. You tell me say woman like me and you we have breasts and pum pum. You not gonna come fight me off? You not gonna come fight me because of social media? And one heap of them come over here and come talk about congratulations, honey. Congratulations, honey. Honey, me rate what you do. A whole heap of them pan this a pussy, them are wicked. They not with you. You understand me? Me depend the app and me see it or them a woman here. They in a comment section, the same people there with them on my platform. I see them people them come over. You understand what me I say? And I say, Annie, me love you. I see them people them a slaughter me and bully me whole family. My family is like any normal family. My family is like any normal family. Your family out there where them a fight and chop up their one another and fight off their one another. You hear me I tell you? And my family come with look a drama and all of them a come talk about dirty family. My family no worse than nobody blood clot family out there. And that me I tell you. Because none of them now hurt their one another. None of them now go down a hospital. All them do a cuss and fight and make look a problem. And I'm going to go on like my family, one of the worst family on the blood clot app. You see, I'm thinking dirty blame them. You say blame them. You say blame them. We follow back on Nicki Minaj. When Nicki Minaj dog, look dog, look lock dog. Footstool. Nicki Minaj footstool, blame them. You understand when I say this drunk when I have no content? Because you each up a foreign blame them and you tell me say you know no content, you go come out and they pa me name and me pitney them. Thinking dirty blame them will run away and gone overseas. And still a fear live pan Jamaicans. All of them they pa me name. Every time the whole of them sit down upon me, them they pan the app. You understand what I say? And when me talk now, people are going to say to me, say, me not fi say nothing. And he relax. And he don't cuss. And he don't this, and he don't that. Ain't nobody think about how me feel at the end of the day. Look pan Rosealee. Look pan Rosealee. A long time Rosealee dey pan the app. A long time Rosealee dey pan the app. And me tell you, say Rosealee bad mind. Me said that from beginning. That's why Rosealee never liked me. Rosealee bad mind. Rosealee have a dirty heart for a woman. For a woman, Rosealee have a dirty heart. You hear me I tell you? And Rosealee dey pan the app. What Rosealee do it for money? Where Rosealee do it for her money where she sit down from night till evening, not even bed, Rosealee go bed. Eh? Rosealee take fee money, fee man take fee money go buy crutches. Jakes take Rosealee money and go mind a different woman. So right now they say Jakes have a new baby pan away. Where Rosealee do it for her money, that's Rosealee can come talk about me. Eh? Rosealee is a bad mind whale. Remember me tell her that I'm not trouble Rosealee. And Rosealee can sit down for me name and talk about me. Why Rosealee no go talk about her unwanted relationship? Eh? Rosealee if talk about him man because him man tired of lift up him big old heavy cow foot them. Jakes tired of him big old cow foot them, lift up him. So you go look at slimmers. You understand what I say? Why Rosealee no go talk about her money where Jakes take go buy crutches? Why she no sit down and talk about that? Why she talk about me for? She go talk about me can hold a good crowd and me not make no money. So that means Rosealee I watch my pocket. And my pocket Rosealee I watch, you know. Eh? So Rosealee sit down, watch my live, watch how much people are give me, watch how much people over my live. You understand me? Me now watch Rosealee live. Me no go over Rosealee live. Yeah, you understand me? Me no go over that the big old thinking wheel the live. Me no go over this so. I even know say uno woman, me I tell you say a lot of you woman out there wicked, you know. Because you say if a woman can talk to take another woman life. You say if a woman talks a pitney for dead, eh? And alive is a wicked girl that. Rosealee is a wicked bad mind girl. Rosealee is a greedy girl. You ever read the story where them say sweet mango tree? And the big fat girl underneath the mango tree. Eh? A Rosealee that. Big and greedy. Gluttonous. Want everything for herself. Me thank God for the little bit where me have. A little bit where me have, me thank God for it. Me now watch you no pocket. Me never bad mind people. Because me now go bad mind Rosealee for the chapalin where she have on. Me now go bad mind Rosealee for the chapalin where she have on. And I know me can't tell her that she can't find her panty size. Because her panty size them special. You hear me I tell you? So me don't know how come Rosealee come talk about me. I try like anybody else. One thing me no have a man a beat me and batter me. You hear me I tell you? And Rosealee man beat him like a blood clot punching bag. So me don't know why the hell you take a set for me and your woman thinking dirty blood clot wheel. They for me name 24/7. How much people they over me live? Me nah make no money. Me a jack code and nah make no money. A little bit when me make me put it to use. What you make you take you go spend per man drunk crow. All you spend it on blood clot man you not go nowhere. Talk about you are going to do blood clot body. Hey, me say, I only pa unu you know. Look here, me never trouble Rosealee. I don't trouble Rosealee. Me don't trouble Donia. Only pa people pan the app, me no trouble and me no talk about. You hear me I tell you? Me no trouble them people. Only pa them people who say come out and talk about me. Me no trouble them. I troll them, I troll me. I troll them, I troll me, and all of them are mix up. That's why I no go out. You see with Jaden, me make sure I say me nah do certain things with Jaden because Jaden we can't me go drop me in a mix up. And me tell Jaden straight, Jaden want no mix up. Me just want them on my own over here so. Because them just want to go drop you in a the mix up. And at that they want to make their money. You hear me I tell you? Me not trouble them. None of them me not trouble. Me not trouble World Dog. Me not trouble Rosealee. You get what me I say? Me not trouble Donia. Me not trouble thinking blamden. Me not trouble big thinking Rosealee. You see the car? You see the car? Me I go make sure me sell it. Me I make sure me sell it. You see the car? Me I go sell it. Me I go sell it. I swear to God, I am going to sell that freaking car. I'm going to sell the car. You see me? You see the car? Me I go sell it. And that me I go do. Me I go make sure say me sell the car. You understand what me I say? Because Annie go buy one piece of land. They say, Annie no buy no land. They say, me buy $30,000 land. Me buy one little piece of land for put me pity them pan. Right? Them have a problem with that. Me buy one little piece of car for carry me back and forward. Them have a problem with that. You understand what me I say? Me a drive in a Eldino car. Them tell Eldino say, ima one. What the name again? Him a chauffeur. Taxi man. You understand what me I say? They no tap fast with Eldino. They no tap fast with Eldino till Eldino tap car me. Right? Hockey walk come now. Hockey walk a car me up and down. They start from hockey walk. And they start tell hockey walk about him car. And me I use him for him car. You understand me? And them getting a hockey walk head too. Them go to hockey walk family. Them go to hockey walk family. And carry me name to the family. I make them shake up hockey walk. Them people are bad mind and wicked. I don't need to know. I don't know already too. Them are people are not no good mind. You understand me? I am going to sell that car. I am going to sell that car. Me not keep the car. You hear me tell you? Because the car is out there everywhere me drive the car. Everywhere me drive the car, people know the car. Everywhere me drive the car, people know the car. Everywhere me drive the car, people know the car. You hear me I tell you? It better me sell the car. You understand me? I'm in a rate that because me and Jabass good. You see me? Jabass are my family. And the thing is this, no, Jabass come, Jabass I'll tell them my business. How much me buy the car for? Right? Me not like that. Because I end up I talk to people and I tell people how much me buy the car for. Eh? All of my business out there. All of my business out there. All of my business out there. My first car to backside and instead of me feel good, how me I go feel good? How me I go feel good? I want to know how me I go feel good. How the hell me I go feel good? I'm my first car. I'm my first car me get. And instead of me feel good and feel joy and good and feel say yes, me buy one little piece of car. Everybody out there know my business. They know exactly how much me buy it for. They know everything because they might tell them my business on social media. So how me I go feel good? I sell back it, man. Me I sell it back, man. Me no want the car again, man. Me no bother want the car again, man. Me I sell it. Me I sell it. Anywhere me go and drive in a car, you see people are run and come out. See there? See the car there, see the car there, see the car there. You hear me tell you? Anywhere me come out, people come out as they see car pass. See the car there, see the car there, see the car there. So how me I go comfortable? How me, tell me now how me I go comfortable. Me can't comfortable. Them not give me a break, baby girl. Them not give me a break. Them not give me a break. They would never look for me and give me a break. They would give me peace and a time to be happy and comfortable with my family. Me I sell it, man. I put it on the market and sell it. All of my business out there where them tell people how much me buy the car for and rate it. You understand what me I say? Everything just out there in the public. Nothing no stay private. Nothing no private. Me love Jabass of course, but Jabass shouldn't even tell them my business. Jabass shouldn't tell them my business. You understand what me I say? No matter what them a chat say, Jabass don't tell them nothing about my business, brother. Hey, make a lady, make them come clean the kitchen. Guys, me I let it go. Me I let it go, man. Me I have to let it go. Right now, not even me pick them, I don't want to go back. Jabass was on blamden live. Brother, I'm there on the whole of them live, brother. And the whole of them did they drag me down. The whole of them did they drag me down, girl. You understand what me I say? Who fool like blamden? Blamden a smaddy? Blamden a smaddy? Eh? Blame them as smaddy when come turn footstool. In Ghana foreign and a footstool in town. Put blue on it. Then me just feel like I want to let it go. Me want to let it go. Me no want to keep it again. And the TikTok people don't like you. Me know that say TikTok people not like me. Me know that say they not like me. I not look no likings from nobody. If you look for people rate you in life, you will never go anywhere in life. If you look for likes, you will never go anywhere in life. Me not look for nobody like me. Make your whole world. If they want to hate me, them hate me. If me can count to 10 people per my finger, you understand what I say? Well, rate me, me roll with them, the people there. But me not look for no likes. They he tell them the year is 2005. Yeah, me know. He tell them the year. Jabass tell them the year of the car. Jabass tell them the mileage of the car. Jabass tell them how much me buy the car for. You understand what I say? He not to tell people them something there. He not to tell people them something. They just let people in and the whole of my business. Me just let it go. I let it go. I go let it go. I'm my first car. Instead of me feel happy and feel good, me not feel comfortable. Me in the car. Me I drive last night. I went last night when we go down the road did so. A night before last night, as a quint you see man them come out. See the car there. See the car there. See there. At the car that you know. Honey. In the day where I drive past KFC, everybody run out. See the car there. See the car there. See the car there. The car that you know. Rotted. But it a drive good man. Oh, they say it ain't a drive. So what for me peace there? Where my peace? Which part my peace there? Eh? What for me peace there? But me just buy that little carrier to feel good and make my son feel good and make him go up and down and do what me have to do. I never know say me never got you all of this. I never know say me never got you all of this and people are going like say me not to talk. Of course me I go talk. Me feel hurt. I feel away about so many things. You understand? The amount of bullying me I get left, right and center. First thing first, them bully me about my mouth. Me not have a problem about my mouth. Right? See me mouth here. Me not have a problem with the cavity. And me not have a problem with the rotten teeth. Me not have a problem when you say my mouth think. Me not have a problem. Eh? When them done, they come off of that now. Then go past something else, me pitney them. You understand what me I say? Then send turn pan the car. Then turn pan the little piece of land. Then turn pan the piece of house. Me rotted. You understand me? Guys, me said this morning I am so vexed. You understand what me I say? I feel away about so many things. Me just hold in and me easy back and me just hold out. You understand what me I say? But go see big old thinking blame them. Eh? Big old thinking dirty blame them. I go take himself, I go come back them for media, come talk about me and my family. And if Jabass, you know, I go over there, go tell people my business, Jabass. Eh? Me not rate that, bro. I'm a rate you, you know, say me rate you, Jabass. Jabass knows say me rate him. You see me? But you not have to tell them the people they nothing at all. You not have to explain to nobody. Nobody can tell me say Jabass use me. Nobody can tell me say Jabass use me. The only thing Jabass do, Jabass not to tell them my business. Jabass no use me. You understand what I say? Jabass no use me. And one thing me can talk say the only thing Jabass do, Jabass should not open his mouth and I tell them my business. Right? No for things that what Jabass do for me, no for who no do that for me. And me would come out here say come and talk certain things about Jabass. You hear me I tell you? Real are real and real no real. You get what me I say? But me not rate that for him come and tell people my personal business. Because I eat them and use against me. When Jabass take me and my family, when no found out this my family. Jabass take my family and love my family. I will if I spend, Jabass spend for me and my family. What if I want to do that? You hear me I tell you? When me stress out, Jabass said to me, say, if I come down in place and in spending good money. So me now tell you, say, Jabass not real to me. Jabass real to me. The man make sure say, I have a car, me love a car. But me never know say it I go turn out to this. Me love a car, me didn't go buy a car. Listen to me. I was going to buy a car, right? And it was a one. A Mitsubishi. I say name, right, Lando? Yeah. Right, me didn't go buy a Mitsubishi. So I saw the name, right? I'm sure Jabass the car. Because any little thing, I link up Jabass. Any little thing, I call Jabass. I say, Jabass, rate it and him give me advice. You understand me? When I show Jabass the car, Jabass say, Mommy, no. I don't want you in that car there. That car there no good. You understand what I say? When we lift up the bonnet, I show him in the car, Jabass say, no, it's a rotten car that. Anytime nobody is selling a car and it paint up inside, Jabass make me understand, say, listen to me, man. I no good car that, Mommy. Leave it alone. Right? When I left you alone, Jabass say, here, don't worry yourself. Me I go look a car for you. Because when me I pay me driver, me I pay me driver a good amount of money for drive me around. You see me? I tell Jabass, and Jabass say, here, you want something where you can carry your back and forward. Jabass comes to Boobson, and Jabass comes and show me film car. As Jabass show me car, me like half a car. You see me? I tell him, he said to myself, I want it. I say, yes. You understand what I say? He say, go in it and feel how it feel. I go in the car and I feel how it feel. And him tell me about the car. And I like him hide nothing from me. Pour your mama, man. Go pour your mama. Go tell your mama, say, pour she. You see me? And him tell me about the car. You get what I say? Me like the car. Who is you to tell me not feel like the car? Eh? Who is you to tell me not feel like the car? Eh? When the man comes to Boobs and sell me the car, Jabass take back even most of the money. I have to tell none of uno this. Jabass take his money and go fix it. So him spend back most of the money on the car. And when me a come up, Jabass take money and put it in my pocket. Jabass take money and put it in my pocket. So tell me how much worth of that the money that Jabass get. Why not chat say people? Why not talk say? Come on, man, I'm not too bad mind and wicked out here, so man. I don't want to see another person try. Just like a mother where I come from a slum, I left me sell my body. Me try in a life, me have ambition. Me want to see myself choose so me can help me pick them. Me is a struggling mother like whole heap of uno mother out there where I struggle. Come on, no man. A whole heap of uno mother never get the chance to buy yourself a local car yet. A whole heap of uno still in a rent house. You understand what me I say? So when time you see look a blessing, a fall upon a person, give thanks to them. Because your time I go come. Why you go fight on another woman and you still need the blessing fall upon you to also? Eh? What if I want to ease up off of people short, man? Leg off of my blows, man. Me tell you from where me I come from where me dey on the street and me sell my body. And me come up and me still a struggle with me pitney them and me I take care of me pitney them. From when me dey overseas. You understand what me I say? And me still there I struggle with my family. And leg of them feel leg off of me now, man. You have so many influencers. Bigger influencers were there, so. You understand what me I say? Alright, big up yourself, baby. Right? You have so many influencers where they are so. Where they are so bigger influencers where they are so. Eh? And me come on pan the app. And look pan them where sit down pan me and drag me down. Look pan them where sit down and drag me down. At the end of the day, and them a woman just like me. Bro, no leg off of my shirt, man. Leg off of me, man. Leg off of me. Me I go sell it back. Me I go sell it back. Of course, me could have buy a different car. That the car them I love. Me I go let it go. The family and brother.
Jabass, I go sell.
When what make you say Jabass I go sell?
If Jabass say your friend will come out and chat with this house. I just say truth.
Brother, me ready call him and me call him. Me not like that. Me not like that. Me not like when they there and tell people in business. You get what me say and I tell people I'll film my business too. You get what me say? I just feel like say because so much people are trying to industry try to make people know say X, Y, Z, but yet still you still tell people with business.
Jabass not to make people know shit because Jabass life, I hear life, I hear business.
Oh.
Jabass no nobody an explanation. He sell the car and that's it for him.
What you say? I'm gonna tell you something. You see me? You see when a person, it's just how me stay in a life, right? You see when time a person did it for me and show me love, and so me I go deal with them.
I mean, but he must show your fake face and then you just chronic love.
Oh, he must show me fake face?
Because I'm gonna come for life and chat a business, bro. And you have some advice note. You don't know if you hear about them. The advice note, they don't matter about saying a like way. And you only have power with the car, we are buying things and bar and
you hear voice note with Jabass, you hear the voice note first and when Jabass says out a female? No. May I ask you hear Jabass say that?
I never hear, but me say I saw it. I say I saw.
But me, look here, me not hear no voice note. I did not hear a voice note. I don't hear a voice note, and if me not hear a voice note, me not hear a voice note. I'm not gonna talk about something when me don't hear. So you hear the voice note them online?
No, I'm not hear, but me get one share live. The voice note go to Jabass in the panel live at some voice note leak both ways.
Hey, hear what me I say? Hear what me I say? If anything will go so, call him. I call him. I call my nigga. I call my nigga. You get what me I say? Because if Jabass walk me mouth and say so, Jabass I tell lie upon himself. If Jabass walk me mouth and say so, you understand what me I say? At least Jagga have sense. Man, move from your son, come off of this. I mean, I want you pin that did so. Me have to eat for myself. If you come tell me say Jabass come analyze me have to go eat for myself. Nobody now go take me and treat me so good, and next one come tell me no foolishness in my ears. You hear me I tell you? See, so when time me hear the evidence up front, say him do that, me will believe that I am a son and me I tell you the truth. Me have to eat. Me have to eat for myself. Right? Because you see, if them say Jabass, well I'm baby. If them say Jabass say we come and bar, come buy your things, make me walk up my mouth and talk then. I don't know why believe me, don't believe me.
Then they might be your friend, but they do not respect you. And I see it. They do not respect you because first of all, Jabass allow Jaden to video the car and the license plate and everything. First when I see that video, I tell you say call Jaden and take down that video. You never call me, go and I say soft. I would deal with me so. I tell you the honest truth, if I mean do it. If I mean do it, I go sort my ass. So anyways, skip past that. Jabass come and start talk your business pan live. Which means he do not have any respect. He probably be your friend and he like you and this and that and he treat you good, but they do not respect you. Him and Jaden do not respect you. And they should know better because they've been around here and they understand where I go through and everything. They just don't care and they do not respect you. You too soft with them.
And about soft, it's not about soft. It's not about soft. Right? Because first thing first, when they must say, oh, we go down a Jabass bar, go and spend money. Jabass take care of it. Is the truth.
But he say, he come pass, with more money.
You hear Jabass say that all time out? You hear it on a voice note? Me have to hear the voice note. Me no business. Who want best? Who want boss? Me have to hear it. Me never hear it, and from me no hear it, I'm not gonna go with nothing like that. You understand what me I say? I'm not gonna go with nothing like that. You see when we done at Jabass place, and Jabass invite we in place, and Jabass spend all of the money per week. Me don't know if him no know, but you see when we there VIP. All of the high type of liquor them where we are drink, the NOC them where we are drink, a Jabass pay for them. A Jabass pay for them. So me don't know why a man would have come out here come tell lie on himself. Me I go call him. And me I come down after the life and I'm going to call him right now. Right? When time we down at middle quarters, a Jabass spending money and rent Airbnb, the whole house where you see the first time, a Jabass pay feet all time pocket. How wicked Jabass could be if it do all of them something they feel we and turn back round pan we and say them something here. Me no care what you want to say for Airbnb or Airbnb. Jabass is that person. Right? And when Jabass show me, him show me love and him show me kindness. When people are look down upon my family and say my family is nothing, at Jabass me see take my family and love with. He no deal with no difference. So me can't say, and me still now go say. That is it for me. Where you say?
And the car, nothing wrong with the car. The car is a good car.
Of course the car is a good car.
And another car, man, to go. The car must have some problem. I will just have to fix it. Nothing wrong with the car.
There's nothing major with the car. The car is a good car. The car is a good car. Nothing no wrong with the car. So hold on there. When time Jabass give me the car, no Jabass see him want to take the car and go spend on the car and make sure say me get the car. Before the car left out of our eyesight, Jabass take the car and Jabass make sure say him spend on the car and make sure say him give me the car in a good condition. What not chat say? What not say? Brother, me no business when none of una say. Me I come off of the live and I will call Jabass. No matter when nobody come here, son, and say, even at the last half when me I come up, me not have no money in my pocket. Who is the person who makes sure say me good when time I come up? No Jabass see me. Me have to go hear the voice note them. Me have to hear that for myself. That me I tell you. Give thanks to the person who see me and love me and adore me and believe in me. Give thanks to that person. Give thanks to the person when you look down upon me. You understand what me I say?